Hello students, I will continue with the HTML. So I think everyone has done the HTML programs. Now we'll show you the HTML example for inserting an image in the HTML program using the image tag, that is img tag. Here I'll take a new text document where we type the HTML program. HTML, where we start with the HTML tag. I'll type the whole program and I'll get back to you. And now this is the program as example 4, which is in your textbook. So we'll save the file. We'll save as. See the location where it saves. Now we'll save it as example 4.html. We'll save it. Now we'll close this text document, and here we have the HTML file. We'll right click it and we'll open with browser. So this is the execution output of the program, but here in this program the image is missing, the Taj Mahal picture. I'll show you how to insert the picture. We'll close this, we'll minimize, and the same text document, right click it and open with Notepad to edit the text in the program. The same HTML file can be opened with the Notepad. Here you can see this is img, the tag, image tag, where we have inserted the image. Here the C user Nitin Kumar picture, this is the location of the image, which does not exist. We have shown the example in the textbook. I'll show you how to get the image in your HTML file. So this image location, whatever it is, delete it. Let's minimize the screen. See here, I have a Taj Mahal picture on the desktop here. So you need to do is right click, then go to the properties. Here you have the location. See here, you can see the location. So what you need to do is copy this location, right click, copy, then you can click OK. Then you go to your example 4 Notepad file, then inside the double quotes, right click and paste it. Okay, click the cursor where the cursor is, right click the cursor, then right click and paste it. But still the location is incomplete. See, you can see here after each and one word there are forward slash. So here same you need to give is it is backward slash. Then I'll minimize this program once again. Right click the image, go to the properties. Here you can see this is the file name. So you can see tajmahal.jpg. Right click, copy, OK, then go to your program. Then after that desktop, one backward slash, and then click there, right click, paste. See here, tajmahal.jpg. Then .jpg is the extension for the image files. It might be anything, it might vary, depends on the image format. It might be jpeg or png, gif, anything it might be. Right now we are having the image file, that is tajmahal.jpg. This is the exact location of the image in this present system. Now we'll save this file, save and close it. We'll go to the location where the file is, example4.html, right click, open with Google Chrome browser. Check, see, yes, we have the Taj Mahal image here. So I think everyone has got how to insert the image. You have to need to is check the exact location where the image is present in your system, the present system. One more we have, it is example, fifth one. So we'll see that I have already typed. I'll copy it, just Control C, copy. I'll take a new file, new text document. Just enter it. I have already typed the program and I'll just paste it. We'll save as. Save it as example 5.html and click on OK. Save it. Now we'll close this file and we'll check example 5, right click, open with the Google Chrome browser. Now here again the image is missing. The example, the Mickey Mouse picture is missing here. So we'll correct that. We'll minimize this browser and the same example file, right click and open it with Notepad. Here again we need to change the location of the image. We'll delete this and I'll minimize this. I'll go to this PC, I'll double click on D drive. I have the location image PNG Mickey Mouse picture here in the D drive. So what I'll do is right click on this, go to the properties and we'll copy the location first. Only D drive it is, then Control C you can do, or else right click and copy. Then you need to go to your Notepad file, that is HTML example5.html. Here in the image source location we'll paste it, Control plus V or right click and paste it and click it. Then slash, you need to copy the image name. See here it is, the image name is in the form .png, Mickey Mouse underscore png20.png. We'll Control C, copy this, go to the location, paste it, and then we'll save the file. And each and every time no need to right click and open with the browser. Now we have already opened it in the browser and we had minimized it just. here the image is missing, but you have made the changes in the notepad file here. So we'll minimize this. The browser, you just need to refresh it. Once you refresh, this is here we have the Mickey Mouse image in your web browser. Thank you.